Hello, friends. So, I hope you have already got to know about the dates, right? So, we have prelims on 4th October 2020 and 8th Jan 2021 is our mains. So, what should be your plan? What should be your plan? Is it only one dimensional preparation, that is prelims oriented, or we should also include mains? So, now together we have got around 3 months, right? So from, if we can also consider June, July and September, August and September, so we have 4 months. So in this 4 months we can wholeheartedly dedicate 1 month for the mains preparation. See, because already we have been preparing for prelims for 4 or 5 months now, right? So it's a good idea to move on to mains and prepare well, or optional or ethics or essay. And I would say it would be ideal to prepare all of these three things, because together we'll be getting around these three combined to form 1000 marks, right? So you cannot miss this 1000 marks, so you should focus on it. It is almost 50%, right? So optional, it will be subjective to everybody, right? It depends on the which optional you have chosen and the time it needs. So you can plan for doing paper 1 or 2 or both together. And coming to ethics is never a entire uh, uh, the ethics is never something which can be completed in a 1 month or 2 months. It should be done in daily manner, right? Writing a question or two daily could be better for ethics. And here we can also include case studies. If we include case studies, we'll also improve the capacity or the capability to solve a case study in a proper manner, right? And essay we can write one per week. So in this 1 month we can do all these things, provided that we plan properly. So for optional, you can have your own plan. For ethics and essay, I can tell you that for essay we can write one answer per day. So I thought of making a discussion on one answer per day. So we'll see that also. And what else we can do? We can also discuss a case study per week, or you can do it daily basis. Okay, you can do on a daily basis. That will always enrich your ethics answer writing skills. I would recommend you to do this. And next comes our option I have already told you, right? Next, in July month, what we should do in July month. And remember, friends, these dates, the current dates which they have given, are also subjective, right? Means they can be altered in the future time if the cases of coronavirus increases or any other unforeseen situation occurs. Okay, so we have no guarantee whether prelims happens on the same day which they have announced now. So let's be prepared for anything, let's prepare for the worst. So therefore I categorize this July month for prelims as well as mains. Okay, we should not leave means preparation now, because we have already been in prelims preparation for 4 or 5 months now, right? So it is better and a safe thing to do with means also. For prelims, we can take one GS subject per day and solve questions, solve MCQs, and also weekly basis we can also solve full length test. Okay, this is not recommended, but you can do MCQs, right? So if we complete one subject per day for prelims, what we can do for mains? For mains, now you can do answer writing. For optional you can start answer writing, because most of us wouldn't have started answer writing for optional, right? So for for me personally, I did not start, so I will start trying to write answers in my optional. And coming to ethics and GS, ethics should go on a daily basis. This ethics per one day, one question per day is compulsory, we should do it in any case. And GS, you can do it, or you can do it it as an optional, okay, like an alternative. If you can do it, well and good, and if not, it's okay. And next, in August and September, those who are really confident about the prelims can continue their mains preparation, okay. And guys, prelims will be so unpredictable. Even if we are getting 100 plus marks in the mock test, it is no guarantee that we are going to perform well in prelims, right? So therefore we should have a good amount of time for prelims also, and exactly before the exam we should give adequate time for revision, okay. Therefore I'm starting this August and September for prelims preparation. And here what we can do full length test and also revision of the subjects. At this point of time, it is advisable not to take any new sources, right? No new sources. We can always go with the already done material, already done NCRTs, or all our short notes. So today I have uploaded a video that was from my short notes of environment notes, so you can also prepare the same. Like having a short notes is like it can be handy just before the examination. You can revise it so quickly. And this is my plan for the next 3 or 4 months. And coming to my videos, what you can expect in my coming videos, I'm coming up with map series that is based on region or continent base. I'm taking a specific region at once, like South Asia and Southeast Asia, Central Asia, etc. Okay. And you can also see continent wise, like Africa. I'm going to take Africa at once. So, and this map series will be going on, and at the same times I'll try to come up with a ethics chapter wise videos, ethics chapter wise discussion, okay. You can also join this. And you can also interact with me, like what topics or what subject you want me to come up with. And I've also started doing art and culture, okay, art and culture. So soon I'll upload all these videos. And hope you will plan as per your convenience and come up with a good plan, because we have approximately 3 to 4 months, right? So make best use of this time and have faith in your preparation. And make a good plan, make a good steady plan, okay. Don't be so ideal that you will end up regretting the same, and you'll not do it properly. If you have a good and implementable timetable, then you can do it better in exam, now in preparation, and also in the examination. And thank you so much. Have a good day.